I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just
team lineups have been announced. Let's see how they weigh up against each other. This is how they'll line up. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Suarez. Oh, great tackle. Played into the box. He shoots. Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. What a well-timed tackle. Striker's ball. So a free kick then. The nighttime setting absolutely perfect for football. Let's hope the weather holds out. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, wonderful trickery here. Oh, great tackle. Shoots. Silerson with a very good save. The manager signals his centre-backs to get forward for the corner. Whipped in. Off his head. Well, the keeper was well beaten. Ball's crossed the line. It's out of play. Whipped in with pace. Great finish. He was just a matter of time with these teams. Great goal to open the scoring. Busquets in possession. Superb. Oh, nice finish there. It's 2-0